guys, and today I'm back with another video, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a Lego Beyblade. These are all the pieces that we need. Now I'll be showing you how to build it. So first you're going to want a 4x4 flat, and you are going to place that aside, and you're going to want to get these 2x2 skin, or it doesn't really matter what color. So you want to get these 2x2s with rounded edges, flats. You want to stick them together. Then you want this 2x2 rounded edges with a rounded bottom, and you want to place it underneath the part you were building earlier. And then you're going to want to pick up your 4x4 again, and you're going to want to place it in the center studs there. So next you're going to want to get a 2x2 tile with a stud in the center and place it in the center of the 4x4. Then you'll want to get, personally I'd say it's like a 1x1 square, but I'm using circles. So whatever you want to use, clip them onto the corners, but it has to be 1x1. Then you're going to want to get these 1x2s with 1x4 studs in them, and you want to clip them between each of the 1x1s. So now it should look like this. So now we are going to want to get this 2x2 rounded edges flat tile with a hole in the center, and you're going to want to clip the center hole onto the peg of the tile, so it looks like that. Then it doesn't really matter what color it doesn't matter what color tiles. You just want to place them 1x4s on any side, but they have to be opposite, and then 1x2s on the other two gaps. Then you'll want to get 4 1x4s and place them on the 1x4 studs. You can place curved, you can make some blades. So, but I'm not going to do that. So here's the Beyblade, and here is how it looks when it's spinning. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a like.